the channel. Ashley, he'll be doing her first oil change on this 97 Silverado. Let's go take it, look at what things we need to do this oil change. So, first off, the oil filter I picked up a wick filter. It's the only oil filter that's town he has, so it's weird. It's a good filter. Oil, and funnel, wrench, and the oil filter. Alright, so we're underneath the vehicle now, and she's loosening the drain plug.
Oh, it's already dripping.
Yeah, it's
more?
Fine. Yep. Alright, so loosen it. Keep loosening it. It will do grip on you, and that's fine. Keep going. Keep going. It will come out. So just make sure that you have a hold of the drain plug.
Is it?
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Oh. I don't think that's supposed to move.
Alright, so we've got the drain plug back on. And Ashley is going to tighten it up.
I don't know if I can get any more.
Okay, yep. Now on to the oil filter, which on a 5-liter Silverado is right up there. So we'll be back when we get everything set up to do that.
Right. This thing's fun. Do you want me to move this in? Out of the way? I don't know what would be easier. Is it supposed to be warm?
Yeah. It will be when if the two clocks warm, but just that. When it's yep. What do you
want me to do with it?
Tip it the other way up and just say right into the oil.
Like this?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, so Ashley, you can take some oil.
Oops.
From that. Alright, so we've got the oil, the rubber part of the oil filter run with oil, so we're putting it back in.
Okay, I got as tight as I could on here.
Okay.
I can't do that though.
We're putting the filter on. It just has to be hands tight.
Oh, good. That's good.
Yep.
I don't know if you want to check.
Yep. So we got everything buttoned up underneath. All we have to do is pop the hood. Alright, so time to put the oil in. So slow. So for the first oil change, it does look like you got a little bit of oil on you, but nothing too bad.
No.
What did you think of it?
I was fun.
Did you learn anything?
Yeah, I guess.
How'd you like being underneath the car? Truck.
It hurts.
It
When I get
hurt.
back for a long period of time.
Yeah, but that's what happens when you don't have a lift.
Yeah. We'll just get a lift kit.
No. We could just that with how crusty everything is, it would be tough to take some of the things off without breaking them.
Okay.